Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you a delicious no-bake white chocolate cheesecake. So this recipe is very easy to make and it tastes so creamy and so yummy. So these are the ingredients. You need just basic ingredients. You can check the description box for the measurement. So what you have to do is first take a springform pan or any cake pan. First let's make the base. So take some Oreo cookies in a blender. You could use digestive biscuit or any biscuit and crush it coarse. So in a bowl take some butter and melt it down. So now you can add in the crushed cookies into the butter and mix it gently. So this is the base. Once everything is mixed, you have to spoon this into the springform pan. If you are using regular pan, you have to line the base with some plastic wrap. So it will be easy to unmold the cheesecake later. So press it evenly and chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I took some white chocolate in a bowl and I popped it in the microwave and melted it for like 1 to 2 minutes. And in another bowl, I'm taking cream cheese. You can make use your store-bought cream cheese, or you can check my recipe for homemade cream cheese. The link is in the description box. So to the cream cheese, whip it slightly and add in some icing sugar and whip it till creamy. Now add in some vanilla, and this vanilla is real flavor enhancer. Now add in some melted white chocolate and mix it till it is completely mixed. So meanwhile, I took some frozen whipping cream. You could use regular cream. So this is a dairy-free cream, and I whipped it till it is nice and stiff. So I'm going to fold this cream into the white chocolate mixture. Fold it gently so the mixture gets nice and light. So you have to transfer the whole thing over the cookie base and pop it in the fridge and let it sit overnight. So this is how you make cheesecake. You can check the measurement in the description box below. So now the cheesecake is all set. You have to unmold it. Since it's a springform pan, it is easy to unmold, and you have to slice it and serve it with any fruit compote. I hope you will enjoy this recipe and try it and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you.